We had been looking in East Grand Rapids for many, many months.
I love older houses, and so it was just kind of a natural fit for us to purchase this house and redo it. Well, the history of the house is it's 100 years old.
The craftsmen that built this house in 1923 were really knowledgeable about home building, and we wanted to maintain that same character. And that's one of the great things about Renaissance is that they stepped up and not only tried to realize our dreams, but also the original architecture of the home.
We had very high expectations of what we wanted to do, and then we had a budget. So they kind of talked us through, how we could make some changes to save some money.
Great thing about working with Renaissance is that they gave us a clear indication of how much it was going to cost going into it. And even though we added things as we went through, we felt like we got a very fair and honest assessment of the costs. It was very clear that they were not working individually, they were working as a team. And that was important to us because we felt like if we had any issues that came up, they would figure out a workable solution. We had the dream of making it architecturally and historically accurate, but they didn't really cut any corners either in workmanship or on the materials. We've got 12 grandkids and 6 kids, and when you have a family, it's going to get a lot of wear and tear over the next generation, right? So we wanted to make sure that it was done right, and I think Renaissance did a great job of doing that within the budget constraints that we had.